Good morning. We're starting our day off right with some ice cream. So we're in Arequipa now. I'm videoing it on my phone because I totally forgot to bring the GoPro today. But we're in Arequipa. We got into a room straight away, so we slept a little bit more, even though it was the worst sleep of my entire life. Showered, we ate some breakfast at the hostel. It's super sunny here. It's meant to be 21 today, which I'm really happy about, so I let out in the sun for a bit. And yeah, we just got ice cream. I got...
If you get her to say bye, I could go to say au revoir.
Mate, we're in a Spanish-speaking country. Adios. But we're just going to explore the town.
These shops are cute. They look expensive.
Yes, they do. It's super... looks really cute and historical here, hey. Well, this is Arequipa. It's very colonial. It's very, very pretty though. We just found an electrical store and I got a new hard drive, so hopefully no more problems. Jack got a new charger because he lost his. But we're just gonna wander around and maybe go to the markets or... yeah.
Right? Still got everything in it.
So we found a market. It's such a big market. There's literally, I think you could get probably everything here. We're currently down the meat one and all the chickens still have the heads on and everything. And you can see all of their insides. How do you feel?
I feel fine.
There's fish, there's fruit, all that meat looks really nice to be fair. Oh, look at that. Could smash that. That looks so tasty. It's probably like really good meat to be fair. We're cutting all the fat off it. Oh, looks so good. This place is bloody huge. Like you can get anything you want here. This place is so cool. Look at all the fruit.
I want to buy an avocado and some nice fresh bread.
Yeah? Oh, so amazing. You cope with that right now. They've literally just cut the...
Look over there.
Oh, stop it. That's so gross. Ah! I can't even cope with the meats right now. We're in the market. There's so many cool things here. We're just at this like fruit stall bit. I don't know if you can see. And I've just ordered a mango with orange smoothie. And Jack got, what did you get? Mango, pineapple and orange?
Yeah.
And we just tried, what was it called? Maracuya, which is that. And it was kind of like a mango, but...
It's nothing like mango.
No, but the texture was like a mango, like soft. But it was, I didn't even know how to explain what it was. But it was strange. It wasn't bad though. We went from market to drinking. What is that about liquid? Sorry, what is that?
Yeah, I was thinking that as well.
It's not even like 20 mils. So, we've decided, as a three,
Not two.
go to the canyon. Purely
Because
We're meeting with bear meeting with bear pong and she did a body shot, so... No.
yeah, I don't know. We just don't want to do it. It's just not gonna happen.
we do, but we want to drink more.
I've seen the Grand Canyon.
Me too.